Suspense over Rohit Sharma being dropped from the next test intensifies. Reports suggest Rohit Sharma to rest it out. Rohit Sharma is likely to be replaced by Jasprit Bumrah as a captain for the fifth and final test against Australia in Sydney tomorrow. Indications were pretty much clear. The morning practice session today itself, as on the eve of the test match, we hear Rohit isn't playing. The fourth test in Melbourne may well be the last time Rohit played test cricket. Shubman Gill comes back to replace Rohit in the playing 11. Unless the BCCI steps in and wants him to play one last time, the decision will not change, is what we hear. Big updates coming in on captain Rohit Sharma, likely to be dropped from the next test. This could be his last test. Rahul Rawat, our cricket correspondent, joining us for more on this story. Playing 11 suspense that grows. Rahul, we hear Rohit Sharma is likely to be out. He will be dropped. Replacing him could be Jasprit Bumrah. Is this a final decision? We know it's not yet been announced, but how sure are we of this update?
Well, Nabila, we are pretty much sure that Rohit Sharma will not play the final test match of this Border Gavaskar Trophy, and there were ample indications in the morning itself. Rohit wasn't seen fielding in his usual positions when the team was training in the morning, and even while he came out for the batting practice, he came pretty late. Also, Nabila, in the morning, the head coach Gautam Gambhir came out for the press conference, and he was categorically asked about Rohit's availability for the final test match that begins tomorrow in Sydney. And the response from Gautam was that we'll have a look at the wicket and will announce our playing 11 tomorrow in the morning. Now you're talking about the Indian captain. You don't take decisions as far as your captain is concerned on the morning of the test match. And as far as Rohit Sharma is concerned, he may well have played his last test match in Melbourne. That was the fourth test match where India India lost that test match by 184 runs. So that is what has happened. So Jasprit Bumrah, who led India in the first test match, India won that test match in Perth, will come back to replace Rohit Sharma as the skipper. Well, this is what is going to happen. Now, Rohit Sharma is set to be replaced by Bumrah as captain. He is not going to play in that fifth and final test match. But just in case BCCI steps in, and BCCI's perhaps say that, one last hurrah for Rohit Sharma, but that seems unlikely at this point in time, because, if that sort of a decision has been taken, well, there must have been a lot of talking heads involved in that decision. The top hierarchy, be it the chairman of the selection committee, Ajit Agarkar, head coach, Gautam Gambhir, and perhaps somebody in the BCCI as well. So that decision has been taken. I know there are suggestions that Rohit himself has opted out of this test match, but it must have been very difficult, it is very difficult to digest, because this would have been could have been rather his last test match of his career. Because the next test cycle starts in June against England, and Rohit Sharma, on the basis of what his current form is, was unlikely to play there. So the Indian captain may have played his last test match, whether you can call it as he was dropped from this test match, this final test match, or Rohit Sharma opted out. That's for your own conjecture, but the Indian captain Rohit Sharma is no longer going to play in that test match. Now, there were also, Nabila, you would remember, after India lost that test match at the MCG, there were also reports that Gautam Gambhir gave a dressing down to the entire team. He wasn't happy with how the things were happening, whether the team was completely under his control. But one thing was for sure: Rohit Sharma, the captain, the Indian captain, and Gautam Gambhir, the head coach, who was appointed after Rahul Dravid's departure following that T20 World Cup victory. Well, they were definitely not on the same page, whether it was the team selection, whether it was the strategy, anything and everything. And it was pretty clear, the team hasn't been doing pretty well in Australia. Well, they did win the first test match in Perth, but ever since Rohit joined that team, India lost that day-night test match in Adelaide, barely managed to draw that third test match in Brisbane thanks to the rains in Brisbane, and thereafter at one stage India had almost drawn that fourth test match, but that dismissal of Rishabh Pant and thereafter Yashasvi Jaiswal led to that that 184-run loss to Australia there.
But the suspense that still continues, Rahul, thank you very much for joining us. As we know, suspense now looms over India versus Australia test on who's playing, who's in, who's out. India has yet to announce the playing 11 for its fifth and final test in Sydney. Sources tell India today, Rohit Sharma, the captain, may be replaced by Jasprit Bumrah. Sources say the skipper attended the Team India practice session for a shorter duration ahead of the all-important test tomorrow. The final playing 11 will be declared tomorrow. Sources say right after the match, Gambhir, during a team assessment, gave a dressing down to players where he asked the batters to not take things for granted, saying enough is enough. In a press conference, Gambhir then taunted the Indian batters as well, saying that Team India, basically the team comes first and not their natural game. This was a jibe at cricketers, giving their wickets away so easily in crucial situations, like, for example, the one they had with Australia, saying that this is not the kind of match he wants to see.
As I just said, that we're going to have a look at the wicket and probably announce our playing 11 tomorrow.
So you can't.
The answer remains the same. The thing is, everything is fine with Rohit, and I don't think so it's anything traditional. I think the head coach is there. That should be fine. That should be good enough. And we're going to have a look at the wicket and finalize it tomorrow. देखिए आप जब ऐसे टॉस पे आते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बैटिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया या बॉलिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया. अगर बैटिंग ने और बॉलिंग ने अच्छा नहीं किया होता तो हम 2-1 नहीं होते, एक टेस्ट मैच नहीं जीते होते या 2-1 डाउन नहीं होते हम, और वर्स्ट सिचुएशन में हो सकते थे. तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि आई डोंट थिंक सो कि इतना कुछ वरीसम है. जो डिबेट एक प्लेयर और कोच के बीच में होती है वो उनके ही बीच में रहनी चाहिए. आप सिर्फ रिजल्ट देखते हैं, और फॉर्चुनेटली या अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये स्पोर्ट सिर्फ रिजल्ट के लिए ही जाना जाता है, बट कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होती है वो दो इंडिविजुअल्स के बीच में और वो ड्रेसिंग रूम के बीच में वो वहीं तक रहनी चाहिए. आई थिंक Indian cricket will always be in safe hands till the time we've got honest people sitting in that room. And honesty is the most important thing for any transition. And it is not about phasing out senior players or getting the youngsters in. Ultimately, the only thing that can keep you in that dressing room is the performance. And it starts from all of us, not only from the players, from the coaches as well. And I said that Indian cricket, the kind of talent there is in Indian cricket, I think we will always be in safe hands. Yes, there'll be times when we might not get the results. There'll be times where we will have to be patient. And more importantly, I think, rather than only criticizing the young players, I think we've got to give them time to develop as well. They'll end up becoming world-class players as well.